Today's tip is all about user backups in Grid 3 and Grid for iPad. So what is a user backup? As the name suggests, it's a copy of your Grid user. This includes all of your grid sets, your settings, chat history, learned predictions, contacts, and any saved notes documents. All of that gets saved into a single file. You can use the backup when moving to a new AAC device as a starting point for a template user in a school or assessment, or as peace of mind should something go wrong with your device. Grid backups can be transferred between Grid 3 and Grid for iPad, but note that your user must be connected to a Smartbox account in order to use it in Grid for iPad. To take a user backup in Grid 3, first load the user that you want to back up. Open the menu, then choose Settings. From the left-hand side, choose the username up above Access. Choose Backup User from the lower left corner. And now we can name the backup and choose where to save it. By default, the file will have the username followed by the date. You can save this directly to the file storage on your device or to a USB memory stick. To restore a backup in Grid 3, we need to be on the user screen. You might see this on Startup, but if not, go to Grid Explorer, then Menu, Users. Choose Restore Backup, and then browse for your backup file. To take a user backup in Grid for iPad, tap the three dots to open the menu and choose Settings. From the left side, choose the username up above Access. Choose Backup, Restore and Remove User, and then choose Backup User. Once the backup has been prepared, an iPad sharing prompt will show, allowing you to choose what to do with the file. This could be to save to the Files app, or it may include options such as AirDrop or sending by email. To restore a backup in Grid for iPad, tap the three dots, then Settings. From the left-hand side, choose the username up above Access. Choose Backup, Restore and Remove User, then choose Restore User. Browse the iPad storage for the backup file. Alternatively, you can tap the backup file from the Files app. Note that restoring a user backup on Grid for iPad removes the existing user.